What's up guys, Jaden here and you're watching New South Wales Trains Vlogs. I'm currently just at Parramatta station on the T1 Western line. Just going to film some trains here for you guys. Hope you guys are all staying safe with the current situation in Sydney. Of course, the city of Sydney, Waverley, Wallara and Randwick, all those suburbs went into lockdown at 11:59 p.m. last night for approximately 1 week. So 7 days. Of course, I'm lucky enough that I don't live in any of those areas. But yeah, I do feel for those people. You may know Phil from Sydney Trains Vlogs. He also lives in Randwick, so he's in lockdown currently. But don't worry, there will still be videos getting out to you guys from him. But yeah, what I'm going to do in this video is I'm just going to film some trains here for you guys. Sit back, enjoy, and thank you for watching. As you can see over there is platform number 1. The platforms I'm standing on, platforms 2 and 3, and the platform over there is platform number 4. Platform 4 is mainly used on weekdays for city circle services, all stations from here that terminate here and then return back to the city, as well as the occasional in the morning you see Schofields and Leppington services using platform 4, as the city circle services use platform 3 on weekdays mornings. Platform 3 on the weekend is used for services to the city, Linfield, North Sydney, returning from Penrith, Emu Plains and Richmond. On weekdays, platform 3 is used for Leppington and Schofield services, as well as the occasional city circle services in the mornings. Platform 2 is used on weekdays, is used for Penrith, Emu Plains, Richmond services, as well as the occasional every hour, or in the peak hour every half an hour, Blue Mountains services. Platform 1 is used for express city services from the Blue Mountains on weekdays, as well as the T1 Western line services running to the city, as well as, but on the weekends it is only used for the Blue Mountains line, I believe. In this video we will also see K96, which is the ATP test K set. It'll arrive on platform 3. It's returning from Penrith. It's doing some testing today, so that'll be featured. So yeah.
The train on platform 3 goes to North Sydney via Central. First stop Lidcombe, then Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point and North Sydney.
North Sydney service on platform 3, and we've got a Richmond service, I believe, arriving onto platform number 4. Oh, it's Penrith service, sorry.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Linfield via Central. First stop Harris Park, then Granville, Clyde, Auburn, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney, then all stations to Chatswood, then Roseville and Linfield. stop. The next train to arrive on platform 3 goes to Liverpool. First stop, Harris Park, and then all stations to Liverpool.
To maintain physical distance,
The train on platform 3 goes to Liverpool. First stop, Harris Park, and then all stations to Liverpool. The train on platform 4 goes to
We had the ex-Bathurst Bullet about to arrive into platform number 1.
The train on platform 3 goes to Linfield via Central. First stop, Harris Park, then Granville, Clyde, Auburn, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town.
K96 now departing platform 3 on an ATP test run to Penrith. Alrighty guys, the train now approaching platform number 3 is my train. I will film it arrive, but I'll say my goodbyes now as usual. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and give this video a like, and yeah, thanks for watching again. See you in the next vlog. Bye for now.
The train on platform 3 goes to Linfield via Central. First stop Harris Park, then Granville, Clyde, Auburn, Lidcombe, Stratford.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.